Hey guys, and let's make these buttons when we click the text view. Some things will be executed here, and when we click the image view, some text maybe will be appear here. For this reason, we choose a text view here. We specify it. And now let's go make an ID for this. For example, show message. And also we want to change the text view into nothing. Yes, and finish. Now let's go to the main activity. Sometimes you don't see the main activity here. You can go to the project. In project you can go to the app. In app you go to the Java folder. You go to the first folder com.xml.fragment, and you see the main activity. When you come on it and you click it, the first click doesn't appear. You have to click it twice. Yes, now it appeared. We created the method of them, and now let's make the uh, variable of that TextView, and I think something deleted. We make a variable, and now we specify this variable equal to find view by id or .id dot show message. Show message is the id of text of our text view. So now we're gonna go to the wait please. And now we go to the inside of the method of our method and make it. We take text view dot set text and write something inside of this image view clicked, and also go to this method, write text view dot set text double quotes and text clicked. Now let's see it. Look, our button is created, and when I click at the image button, look, image view is clicked. When I clicked at the text view, text clicked. This video was about how to make button with text view or image view, or also whatever you want. You can set the clickable through. It's clicked. It changed into button. Thanks for your attention, guys.